Hi everyone, this is Vidya Android application explanation. So we can go to Play Store and search for KHEE. It's KHEE. So we'll get the application just on the top like KHEE Vidya. So just click on that one and you can install the application. So once it is downloaded, you can just install it. I already have in my mobile, so we can just log in. So once you click on the application, it will pop up with the three different kind of logins: student, parent, faculty. So first of all, we'll go with the faculty, how it functions. So click on faculty. If you're coming for the first time, you can just click on like, if you're coming for the first time, you might be not having the password set, so you can click on help and it will say like a register. So once you click on register, so you can enter either your mobile number or account number. So your college or school admin already created your account, so you can give the same account number or mobile number. Once you give the mobile number or account number, so it will send one OTP to the registered mobile number. Like if you are giving your account number, whatever mobile number associated with that one, they will get the OTP, and you can enter the OTP and set the password. So that is one way. Or in case like if you forget your password, it will go with the same. You can give your mobile number or account number, you will get the OTP to your registered mobile number. Or at any point of time, if you face any problem and you want to report to the KHEE technologies, like you can click on report and it will just, with your email ID, it will ask for the entered details. So it will automatically send to the KHEE group, like we will just check into your issue and we will resolve it as soon as possible. So coming back, so being a faculty, I already have logged in, so I already set my password. Now I will give my username and password. So for example, I am an admin and I am trying to log in with my admin credentials. And I will give my password. Login. So as soon as I log in, I will see all the details like my profile, my attendance, events, leaves, or diary, timetable, examples. Or if I am associated with any of the school or college bus, the transport will show here like the bus. Once you click, you can see the location. So if I am a faculty, I can take the student attendance, or I can view the attendance, or whatever the circulars it came to me that I can see, or homeworks I can see. And the library management is there, and which means like whatever the books I have taken already, or if I want to search any book, I can check all. So these are all the things which is in the admin. So admin will have almost all the access. So first let's go one by one. So I will check my profile first. I can see all my details whatever we have given already, and just in case if I want to update my profile pic, I can click and I can change and I can select from the gallery and upload. So here is the notifications, like on every moment, like we will send the notification. So notifications can be seen on the top right corner, and here is the my attendance. So when I click on my attendance, like in that particular month how many days I am present, everything will be shown. So in case if I want to select any date, I can check it. Or if I want to go back to my previous month, I can swipe left or right. So for example, in this October month, so the attendance is already present. Sometimes it's not taken and sometimes it's absent. So being a staff, whatever the days I present all these things, I can directly see here. And this is events, like in case if it is in the school any event happen, like school, college, something, so all the events will be listed, and any images or something were already posted, we can see here, including the videos. And the next part is leaves. So being I am a test I am an admin, So whoever requested for my approval, I will get all, and whatever the leaves I applied here, it will be in my leave history. If any student applied in for a leave approval, I will get it over here, and same goes for the staff. Okay, so for example, I will just go, I will create a leave request, like maybe I want to take some vacation leave for Diwali, like I want for 16th. So 16th one day I will give, like maybe going to hometown. Okay. So I can give description something here, like whatever, uh, going to hometown for Diwali celebration. Okay, and I will just click on add to whom I want to approve. Like I am a staff, I am applying for the leave, so somebody should approve it. So to whom I need to send the request? So I will be sending to principal, and principal will have the notification, everything. So I will submit. So it will ask for the confirmation, just confirm. So once I sent, it already came in my list, you can see here. So going to hometown, the first one, going to hometown, it is in pending status. So to whom I sent? To my principal Prakash. And what was the dates? 16 through 16 only, which means one day. The same way, like once the principal logins, he will, like I will show in the next, so he can see whatever the leave request came. Okay, same goes with the student and staff. So diary is another module. I can just keep it my diary, whatever, if I want to just save in respect of whatever, like demo diary. Make a note of tomorrow exam schedule. Okay, I will just save this one, so it will be in my diary list. So in future, if I want to click on just come and see, I can just see whatever it is recorded. So this is, it will be there forever. That will be one good thing. And timetable, so because I am admin, I really don't go and teach for any subject, so I don't have timetable. If a teaching staff logins, they can see their own timetable. And same go with the exam. So what are all the upcoming exams we can see now? Like for December 14, there is some exam. So I can add the exam also. So if I am a teaching staff, I can see the exam. Or in case if I want to add any exam, new exam, I can just select this one. Okay. So what is the type of exam, what we are looking for? I can just select, or half yearly. So I can say maybe final exams. Okay, so it can be happen maybe on December 28th. Okay, so I can even select the time, so it will be at morning, and the end will be anyway the same day. So 3 hours. So it will be 3 hours final exams. It is for 100 marks, and the pass marks may be for 30 marks. So I will submit. So the exam is created. Now if we go back and we see in upcoming exams, we can see the new exam is created. So this will be shown in all the logins, like the staff login and respective student login and respective parent login for that particular student. So that is the exam part. So if at all any transport is there here, it will show. Yeah, so I'm an admin. I am allowed to take the attendance for the students. It will be quite simple, just like that. Like, we can select the class. So if it is a teaching staff, they can directly get they will directly get their own classes. Because I'm an admin, I have all the access. So for example, for today, so we are giving only 10 days or 10 days back we are allowing. You cannot take the previous, yeah, some 15 days back we are giving. You cannot take more than that one, like it is all disabled. In case if you want to modify any attendance, like you need to do within that time. Okay, so for example, I am taking for today only. So for the first subject, so for this particular class there are already 51 students available, and by default all of them will be present. So for instance, like I will make one student absent, I will submit. So it will ask for the confirmation. So the total number of present students are 51, one will be absent. So total present is 50 and absent is 1. So the total students are 51, attendance taking by the logged in user. So if I submit, so the attendance is now captured, and within this 1 second time the attendance is captured, and the student whoever absent, for them, their parent, they might have got the SMS already, like your student is absent for so and so date, like that. So with the period and date it will show. So here you can see the first period attendance is already taken, so that's why it is double tick mark, and the remaining periods were not taken, so it is in still one single tick with the gray colored. Okay, so this is one, like in case if I want to view, in case if I want to view any attendance, like we will just take today's attendance only. So this is the class, we already taken the attendance, and one student is absent here, and all rest will be shown here. Okay, and going back, so the circulars, so whatever the circulars I got, I can able to see here. Like if it is unread something, so I'm just seeing like whatever this circular came, that is one simple straightforward. The homework is like I can give homework to the student. This probably I will explain with the teaching staff, that will be straightforward. Yeah, so this is the library management. So we can see like whatever the books I have taken. So here you can see the first book, business environment. Like business environment is the book I have taken. I have taken on 22nd of April, but the due date was April 29th, but still I haven't submitted, that's why it came in red color. The book number is 1001, which is on the image, overlay image. So you can see, and this will be an easy reminder for us to submit the return the books in within the time. So this is some such books, like we can see all this one, the list of books, and any assignee book is there. So I am an admin, I can give the book to anyone, so I mean to the students. So usually like the librarian will give, but by default admin will have access to everything. So in case like if I am trying to give book number some 45, and I wish to give it to maybe first staff, so I can just directly select staff, like maybe to principal I am trying to give. So you can see the due date by default we gave 5 days. So today is 11th, and the due date is 16th. They need to return in by 16th. So I will just verify the details by which, so maybe particular staff, he already taken the books, will give to some other lecturer. Yeah, you can see. So the account is a book, and I'm giving to staff 4, and we can confirm, and the due date. So if I assign, the book is now successfully assigned to that particular staff. And if someone is trying to return the book in case like if 45 is the book number whatever we just issued, and we need to give that user id. We can give the same, and they can take back the book. Okay, so we just need to enter this staff id here. Yeah, so that is the part. This is all about staff login, admin login. Now I will log out and log in as a principal, and we will check the validation of that leave and other things. Okay, so now I have logged in as principal, and as it is like the same way, my attendance will be there here, everything. So I am present on something. So going back to the leaves, you could have seen the admin. Okay, so staff has applied for the leave, like you can see in the staff it will be there. So this is a new one. So I'm going to Diwali for a celebration. I'm going to hometown for Diwali celebrations. All this we just added. Either I can approve or reject it. So if I click on reject, until I reject or approve it, the status will be in pending. If I click on reject, it will ask for the reason to reject. Like I can give something. So in case like the other staff already taken the leave and all, we can just we can say like we can just have a track. Okay, otherwise I can directly approve him. So for instance, now I will approve him. So the leave is approved. So you can see the status is immediately changed to approved here. So this is how it will be, very simple, and but everything is already tracked. So even some students, like they can just log in and they can approve, apply for the leave, and parent can also apply leave on behalf of any student. So that will be more effective way we can see. So that is one thing, and we can go for a teaching staff and we can check the other things. Okay, so here is one teaching step, like we will check how we can give the homework and other things. So for example, if I am going for my timetable first, so I can see like today, so the timetable will automatically change. So when I logged in as today is Wednesday, so by default it will be showing my Wednesday or Monday, so we can check everything. So if I am taking any online classes, okay, so I can directly come, today is Wednesday, for this class on 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock I have a online class. So I can click on this one, and I can just start the online, sorry. So this icon is for uploading a recorded video, like if I am a teaching staff, I will record the session. I will upload so that student can log in and check anytime. Like we could have seen, like in one home only one mobile is there. Like if two kids are having online class at a time, so one will be obviously lost the class. So in this scenario, like we encourage staff to record a video and upload here. So we can select, so I am a staff for marketing subject, I will select the video from my videos. So that will be simple, and I can just I can schedule on what date it need to be published. For example, like I recorded my class, but I want to publish this after, like I will click on schedule. when I click on date, maybe I want to publish from 16th. So when the student come from 16th, then only it will show the video. But the video might be already uploaded, and we can just click on upload. So the video will be uploaded. In the student login, it will be shown that one. We also have online classes and online exams also. So next to this play icon button, one more icon will come where they can schedule Google Meet or Facebook Room or Zoom, these applications. So they can click and they can now log in. So in the other hand, like students also, they can just directly click and log in. So no need to enter any codes or all these things. So I will go for exams. So I created for December 28 one exam, right? So it will be already listed here. So whatever the exams for in that institute it is there, it will all list here. If I want to add any exam result, I can be shown here. Okay. So for example, I can add a result. You can see for 15th July 2020, the exam is already conducted. I want to add a result. So this is very simple. Like I can click, all the students will be listed here. I can enter the marks. So it will be like some 18, next 20, next 21, just the same way. The complete student exams exam results I can just add and submit. So that's it. So it will submit, the same will go to students and their parents, everyone, just like that. Okay. Even I am allowed to create exam for my particular subject. So I can just create and leave it. So I can schedule all these things. Okay. So everything we can, like max to max, all the things we can handle from the mobile app itself. Okay. It is just like, even this will be really helpful for the staff or management to manage the complete data. Okay. So if I want to take the attendance, okay, you can see earlier I logged in as admin, so I have access to everything, but I am a teacher now, so I have the classes whichever assigned, those things only will be listed here. Okay. So I can just disable any of the students. I click, so it will ask for, and then just submit it. So that is just that simple to take the attendance, view attendance, or I can see my circulars or my books, everything. So you can see here, I'm not a admin or a librarian, so I'm my teaching staff, so I can see only my books. So these are all my books, whatever I have taken, and with the due dates it will be shown. Okay. So now let's see and give homework. Okay. If I want to give a homework, so to my subject, I will just select, like I will give complete assignment on chapter 2. Okay. Okay, something I will give. If I have any attachments, like I can just browse, and like any PDF or images, I can browse and I can attach them. That is one thing. Or I can just give continue. Okay. So here is the thing. We have all list of students here, student 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that, right? So I can give for all the students, or I can give for only selected students. Okay. For a moment, I will select everyone. Okay. So this is having 51 students. So I'm giving assignment for, it is like assignment or homework, like in some colleges and all, like batch by batch they will give the assignments. Like for example, any civil or someone, like the first 10 students, they need to submit something today, the other 10 students need to submit on next day, something kind of like that. So we can even change the date. So by default the homework will be having the due date as tomorrow date. If it is Sunday, that will be automatically changed to Monday date. But if I want to change this to for everyone for 17th, you can see the date is changed to all the students for 17, which means the student need to submit this particular assignment or homework on or before the given due date, or particularly I can go on change to particular students also. So you can see here the student 1 need to submit the assignment on 25th. Okay, for rest of the students it is on 17th. So I can just select everyone. Now it is done. Okay, see, you need to like, that is a little browser. Okay, you need to just scroll little more down to see the continue. Okay, so continue. Right, the homework is assigned. Now if I want to validate something, you can see the pending homeworks, like with the history check for all the students it will be shown. Or if you want to do a marker, like if you want to mark as complete for this particular student, yeah, you can just enter like completed. Okay, save, done. So that particular student will be removed from the list. Okay, so or if you want to go for the pending homeworks, or you want to complete homework, view by class, like this is a kind of report you want to see. Like you can see, right, or you can just see like total number of how many were given, or if you want to just take 1 week. So total, you like in this week I gave only one assignment for total 51 students. In completed it's still 15. From date, like it is from when it is from this 5th. Okay, so it will be like that report we can see. Okay, or if you want to delete for some reason, okay, not for this class, okay, it will be removed. Okay, it will be like that. So the homework, everything is very simple. We can log in and we can just check it. Okay, thank you. I will make another video for student logins and parent logins. Thank you.